Hi everyone, it's Courtney-Ann and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a very unique Airbnb tucked away at the peak of Red Hills. Before we begin the video, I'm inviting you to subscribe and give the video a thumbs up. And also remember, all the important details for this property will be in the description box below. Now, let's get started. So this property is perfect for a family vacation, a group of friends, and also it has rooms available in case you just want a solo vacation. Here is the living room area, which comes with booking one of the rooms, which is the grand bedroom. Here is the seating area where you can dine and hang out with your friends who are vacationing with you. And as you realize, it's 4 seats, so it can accommodate a decent amount of persons. And then there's also the couch in front where you can accommodate even more. The kitchen is extremely modern with a flat topped stove and also modern appliances like that microwave you're seeing there, and everything is just aesthetically pleasing from the countertop to the matching cabinets. So when it is that you book the grand bedroom or the master bedroom, you will have access to this kitchen and the living room. Now let's take a look at the master bedroom. As you can see, this bedroom is huge. Lots of natural lighting, lots of floor space. In fact, the whole property has sort of an open floor plan, which I really like. And not only is the master bedroom big, but you have an ensuite bathroom, which is also as equally spacious. The bedroom is also connected to a balcony area, which I'll show you in a bit. But before we go out on the balcony, I'm going to show you exactly how the bathroom is set up, how the bedroom is set up, and how it flows into the bathroom. So you basically go up these stairs, and once you enter the bathroom, you are blown away. This bathroom is huge. It has a tub, which can also be used as a jacuzzi, double vanity sinks, shower area, very brightly colored, and again with the natural lighting, which I really love. Remember, you are in the Red Hills area, so there's a lot of views throughout these windows as well, so you have to keep that in mind. It's really the perfect getaway spot if you just want to disconnect and have some fun. The area is also notably extremely quiet and cool in climate. So I think that's also a plus if you wish to vacation somewhere where it's not that busy and you have a lot of privacy. This is the balcony area that I was mentioning earlier. So there is an entrance from the bedroom, but there's also another entrance from the passageway, and it's really giving all the views. Now let's get into a small segment I like to call food content creation with Chef Shay. Now guys, this property is multi-purpose, which means it can be an Airbnb, but it can also be a content creator's paradise. Chef Shay is an international chef, and here he was demonstrating how he uses the kitchen to make food content for social media. Now all of the equipment that you're seeing here is available when it is that you book the property. So if you're a content creator looking to batch content, I think that this Airbnb is also perfect for you. Let's take a look outside for a second to see what the yard area looks like. There's lots of plants, lots of trees, which adds to the ambiance of the property. And then there is a yard space in case you want to entertain, play, or maybe just relax and write some notes to reflect on what's going on in your life. But more or less, guys, I think that the yard is extremely spacious. I think it's very calming, very relaxing, and like I said, it really gives a disconnect vibe that you're looking for. Now let's get into the other segment, which is the recording studio. So like I said, the property is really multi-purpose, and as a content creator, you can really get a lot of work done here. Here is a fully equipped podcast room with a setup perfect for those who want to do video podcast or also audio podcast. There's also a table area in case you want to have a more casual podcast. And as you can see, the microphone and all of the sounding equipment is available with the room. Here is a backdrop in case you want to do photo shoots. And speaking of photo shoots, that brings us to our next segment, which is the photo shoot area. Now the podcast room is connected to what I like to call the hit strip or the runway. Now the runway is a little tunnel like featured room that has a lot of aesthetically pleasing lights, props, etc. If it is that you're looking to host some type of photo shoot or modeling, as you can see, the lights vary in color and you can adjust it so they have different lightings for you to work with. And it's very flexible. So if you're looking to, take a weekend with your coworkers or your fellow creatives and batch content, I think you should click the link below and contact the host and find out if you guys can get the property for a period of time and eventually get some work done. Now, there is another bedroom on the property which is more solo, if you ask me. This one, you do not necessarily have access to the kitchen and the living room and the other areas I showed you, but this one is perfect for like a solo vacation. You will of course be responsible for your own food, but you still have access to the yard and the pool area, which is being displayed here. Now, this is the highest level on the property. This is the deck where you have a table area, a pool area. Music videos have been shot in this house. In fact, a lot of celebrities, I believe, have stayed at this house as well. So you are booking a place that is extremely exclusive, quality property right here. And that really brings us to the end of our tour, guys. So if it is that you like this Airbnb, comment below what you love about it. Would you stay here? And if it is that you want to stay here, again, there will be 2 links in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and I will see you guys next week.